This time, I would like to tell you about the urban legend that there are portals to different dimensions in the universe. In the portal universe, there are many mysteries that we cannot understand. Among these mysteries is the hypothesis of portals to different dimensions. Not only SF works in the occult, it is also covered in parts of theoretical physics. This hypothesis states, an entrance to another dimension exists in outer space. Portals and wormholes exist. It has been suggested that there may be passages invisible to the human eye. These portals are as a path that transcends not only space but time and dimensions themselves. It promotes a new understanding of the fundamental structure of the universe. Now, this hypothesis is scientifically philosophical. From a social perspective, what is a portal, its definition and characteristics? A portal is, from one point to another, a passageway to instantaneously travel to another dimension. These portals might be found in dimensions beyond physical space. It is considered as a passage beyond the time axis. In SF, gateway, wormhole, start gate. It is sometimes depicted by names such as scientific hypotheses also suggest that wormhole in the theory proposed by Einstein and Rosen. Tons of two different locations. It is believed that there may be wormholes connected by structures on the Nell. If this is real, very distant spaces or different time, it may become possible to travel to another dimension, black holes and white holes. While black holes suck in matter, a white hole is a theoretical existence that releases its inhaled matter into another location or dimension. It is also thought that a black hole may be the entrance to a portal to another dimension. Theory values suggesting different dimensions exist. Auditory theory and dimensional diversity. According to auditory source theory, in addition to the three-dimensional space that we can recognize, there are multiple dimensions, such as 10 and 11 dimensions. These dimensions are folded so small that it cannot be seen from ordinary perception, or cosmic membranes. It is said to exist along the brain vacuum hypothesis. In one dimension, our universe floats on a kind of membrane. Other universes, different dimensions are also thought to exist in different membranes. If there is a point where the membranes come into contact with each other, it could be a portal to another dimension. Quantum mechanics and the many-world interpretation. In quantum mechanics, multiple states overlap until a substance is fixed in one state. This is called superposition. In the many worlds interpretation, parallel by this superposition, universes exist innumerable. It is also theoretically possible for us to access different universes under certain circumstances. If there are quantum-level portals in the universe, it may be possible to travel to another dimension or parallel universe. The scientific basis for interdimensional portals, the mystery of black holes. Black holes have very strong gravitational fields. It's believed to be a place where time and space distort, absorbing everything, even light. Being in the center of a black hole is good at a place where the laws of physics break down. The possibility that this is the entrance to another universe or portal to another dimension is also discussed. Discovery of energy anomalies in the universe. In observing outer space, unexplained energy anomalies may be discovered. Some scientists have. He points out that this may be a sign that energy is leaking out of this type of dimension. For example, the true identity of dark matter and dark energy. It might result from substances leaking from multiple dimensions. Eyewitness accounts and urban legends of interdimensional portals include Legend of the Bermuda Triangle. In the Bermuda Triangle, there have been reports of ships and planes suddenly disappearing. A theory suggests this might be due to portals to another dimension, people and objects being sucked into different dimensions and never returning. This is hypothesized. UFOs and portal relevance. There is also a theory that links the UFO phenomenon to interdimensional portals. UFOs might not be from outside Earth, but from different dimensions. It is a theory that believes that it appears from a different dimensional space through a portal. Thus, it is said to explain its instantaneous appearance in nature. Philosophical and interdimensional portals. Social impact. If a portal to another dimension is proven to exist, humanity's worldview will change dramatically, redefining reality. The reality that man perceives is but a part. If another dimension exists, religious influences on the meaning and purpose of our existence also need to be redefined. If dimensions are confirmed, religious doctrine may also be adopted. For example, it may also be interpreted that heaven or the spirit world is actually part of a different dimension. New advances in science and technology. If interdimensional portals become accessible, space exploration and time travel became a reality. Human civilization will develop by leaps and bounds. But you also have to think about the dangers and unknown risks that come with it. Of course, the hypothesis that there are portals to different dimensions in the universe is unproven by current science. With advancements in physics and quantum mechanics, we can't deny that this hypothesis could become a reality in the future. We might stimulate exploration of the universe and satisfy human curiosity. It suggests the possibility of new discoveries beyond the limits of modern science. The idea that there might be a portal to another dimension somewhere in the universe. It could dramatically change the future of humanity. If it exists, we open the door to a new dimension. It also has the potential to evolve into beings that transcend time and space. How did you like it? Thank you for subscribing to the channel.